Today, Lionel Messi officially signed his contract with Inter Miami. He signed contract until June 2026. After the contract signing ceremony, David Beckham and club owners invited Leo and his family in a big boat, where they celebrated and cheered each other. What a wonderful life! I want to tell you that Inter Miami also signed Messi's Barcelona ex-teammate, Jordi aka Jordi Alba, to contract through the 2024 season. Sergio Busquets and Leo can't wait to see their ex-teammates on the training field. Three old Barcelona teammates are united together again. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.